Hello guys, this is a day 7 of my 30-day challenge. The morning was very good, cool and rainy. The weather is rainy. You can see that it will be raining in few hours, and the weather is cool. You can see that I am come for a walk in the morning, enjoy the nature beauty, and this is very cool today, but it will be raining. Let's see what's happened. You can see the views in the background. Let's see, I show you the views. Guys, I just completed my exercise, and I am going to ready for my company. I have to take a bath, and the sun is coming little bit. There is no heavy sun till now, but let's see what happens when in the way of my company. For now, a little bit sun is came. Let's go, guys. Guys, I am heading towards my company, and this is a day 7. The weather is very good today. It is nice. Little bit sun is here, but it's cool. Today is a Sunday. Nepal government also decided to cancel the holiday government holiday of Sunday from 1st of Asar, and this is good or not good. Let's comment. Guys, what is happening today? When I say the weather is cool, it becomes sunny, hot, and when I say it hot, it's become cloudy. I changed my decision 3 times in a day. You can count in my video. Let's go, guys. Enjoy your day. Guys, this is a break time, and we are going to hotel for breakfast and do our breakfast. Let's see what we eat today. And the weather is good, and a little bit air is blowing, and it seems like although there is a sunny, but due to air flowing, no any feeling of heavy sunny. Let's go, guys. Enjoy your day with fun. Guys, today I am very glad because of all the company members and brothers are subscribed to my channel, and so see my channel content. and it motivates me to do my challenge even better, and it supports to create more content and more useful and entertain content. Therefore I am glad today, and the company time is up. Therefore I am heading towards my room. Guys, the time is nearly 6:30, and me and my friend going to visit and get our mind full fresh. And there is a problem with our friends. He is doing his internship in this municipality, and and there is a road construction is going on, and a little bit problem regarding with the neighbors, with the house owner or neighbors. Let's see what happens. Guys, nothing happens there. Little
happens a little bit.
There is. Tell what happens there.
Yeah, guys, nothing serious happens on their side. NPC sites, there is a problems between house owner and the construction site.
If you understand, then good. Not understand, then also good.
Try to understand.
Try to understand. Guys, we come in the field and just walking to see the view you can see in the background, and this is good. Let's go, guys, enjoy our day. And I think this is the last video for today. We are going to our room and make it. Then good night. Good night, take care, enjoy your day, happy day.